It's Tuesday, July 21st, and if that wasn't good enough, we got the Alzheimer's clock to tell us that it's Tuesday, July 21st, and we're gonna go talk to the crows. Because I've been watching your videos on YouTube, and see, I'm gonna grab me a handful of unsalted peanuts, like in the shell, unsalted raw peanuts, and then I'm gonna walk to the end of my driveway where the crows maybe will someday start coming to see me every day at the same time, is what they told me to do. So I'm just gonna walk down here. It's July, nice and warm, but not too hot. And the birds go in that tree, and they go caw, caw, caw. And then they fly over to that tree over there. And they make a lot of noise, and they're very big. They have very big bodies. I was putting the peanuts over there by the porch so I could look at them from the house and see if a squirrel or a crow came, but I quit doing that, and there was a reason why I quit doing that. But the crow would land on the driveway and pick up the peanut, and then I saw how big they were. I was like, wow, these birds are really big. They don't look so big when they're in the tree because I don't see very good. I can hear them, but I don't always see them. Okay, so these are the nuts. So I'm just gonna throw them like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm supposed to be quiet. It's raining. It rained already this morning, and it was hard. I'm older, I have arthritis, and I have hardware in my back, in my, not my spinal cord, like your vertebrae and stuff that hold the bones together. I got a bunch of metal in there to keep everything. So I'm supposed to sit quietly. That means I can't talk. So over here I have bird feeders with wild bird seed. There's a red feeder there. There's a red feeder there. You see I'm getting some activity today. And then there's a green one closer. Those look like doves. The birds that go coo, coo, coo. I used to love this bird that I'd hear in Hawaii on the island of Oahu. There were tons of birds in the tree on the base. It was Naval Air Station, Barbers Point, Hawaii. And they just made the most beautiful, relaxing sound. So now that I'm in the sunset of my life, I get to feed birds and squirrels and observe nature, because I'm not in a big hurry to drop my child off at daycare and drive to work and then get off and go to the gym and then pick my child up and come home and make dinner and give the child a bath. See, now I'm retired. So I get to have a more slow-paced, relaxing kind of life. I'm still figuring out, okay, that goes out, that goes in. I'm not going to move it real fast because people say, oh, don't move the camera too fast, Joanne. It makes people dizzy. And thank you for the nice lady in North Carolina that donated $20 to the dog. And my brother, he donated $25 to the dog. And Molly's going to come by Friday and give $20 for the dog. I'll show you the dog. Let me zoom out again. That's her name is Mocha. She, you know, we all get old and we get slow and we have problems. And unfortunately for Mocha, she's old and slow and has some problems, but she doesn't have an owner anymore. And, you know, the poor dog, it's not her fault that the owner died before the dog did. I mean, she's not real pretty, but she's a sweet dog. She's kind of red with this white mark on her neck. Her eyes look kind of pathetic because she's got allergies. You can just look in her eyes and you can see like the skin is red and itchy and it has drainage. And she scratches a lot. And anyhow, I'm taking her to Dayton South Veterinary Clinic on, well, it's on the corner, but it's on the corner of Dorothy Lane and, what is it, Wilmington? Dayton South Veterinary Clinic. Friday, we're going to go to the doctor. And I know it's going to cost $400 or $500 because I have a dog that I take to the vet. Like a healthy vet appointment once a year. That's my dog. She's been with me 10 years. So anyhow, if you own a dog, and you know, what if you passed away? Wouldn't you want somebody to take your dog in their home? Because not every family will take the deceased person's dog, unfortunately. And you don't want them dropped off in the street, and you don't want them euthanized when they still got some years left in them, like nobody's euthanizing me. So anyway, if you can help, I'm on Facebook. My Facebook is Joanne, Joanne, Gormley, Gormley. That's my maiden name. And then my married name was Dallas, Joanne Gormley Dallas. And it's got my PayPal and a little post that says, hey, can you give me $20, $50? If everybody contributes a little, maybe we can, you know, help the poor girl out. All right, this is Gathering Place. I love you. Dayton, Ohio. Bye-bye.